Namaste. Welcome back to the second episode of Recipes of India. यहाँ पर मैं आपको वो सारी चीज़ें बताती हूँ जो कि हमारे रीजन मतलब हमारे कंट्री के लिए नेटिव है, किसी रीजन का ये खास सीक्रेट है, बट इट्स वर्थ अडॉप्टिंग अक्रॉस इंडिया, अक्रॉस द ग्लोब. One such thing is the sherbet that you make out of neem flowers. Now, I'm sure that you've heard a lot about gut cleanse and immunity and smoothies and God knows what all. But what is it that our grandmothers used to actually not just cleanse our gut but also our common sense and give it a fresh new lease of life? And how did they use the very native neem to their benefit and actually made a beautiful sherbet out of it? So here's the recipe, and I'm going to tell you it's quick, it's easy, and you can make it in an instant, and it will give you the joy of serving something really simple but also extremely exotic to all of your house guests. इसका सीजन है ये टाइम जो चैत्र महीना होता है, मतलब you start it almost around गुड़ी पड़वा and you can use it all the way into spring. मतलब you can use it maybe around April, because the special ingredient of this, the neem flowers, come only in this season. You won't see the neem flowers after that, and you have to use these flowers while they're still fresh. So this is also often used as a prasad in the festivals which come around this time, whether it is Gudi Padwa, whether it is Vishu, whether it is anything else that we celebrate during this time. How do you do this now? So you need to take 2 glasses of water and pour it in a vessel, and then take a little bit of jaggery, crush it and add it to this water. तो आपका पानी ये कुछ ऐसा दिखने लगेगा, like some high funda kombucha, but it is only गुड़ का पानी. वैसे पुराने ज़माने में जब समर का सीज़न चालू होता था और आपको इंस्टेंटली आपके बॉडी को कूल डाउन करने का मन होता था, तो देन व्हेन गेस्ट वुड कम एट होम, द प्रैक्टिस वाज नॉट जस्ट टू सर्व देम वाटर but to give them piece of jaggery, and with the piece of jaggery a glass of water, because jaggery and water together is known to cool the body down. तो ये बॉडी, दिल, दिमाग और सब कुछ ठंडा रखने के लिए और एसी का बिल कम करने के लिए यू हैव दिस जैगरी विच यू हैव मिक्सड इन वाटर. ये जैगरी और पानी मिक्स करके आप इसको 10 मिनट तक साइड में रखिए. जब आपने इसको साइड में रखा है तभी आप आपका दूसरा प्रेपरेशन चालू कीजिए, which means that you take these neem leaves and then you actually, the neem flowers, and then you actually start separating these flowers, see how pretty they look, and start collecting them here. Okay, the other thing that you need is the seasonal कैरी मतलब कच्चा आम. सो रॉ मैंगो को आप स्लाइस करके, डाइस करके उसको एक साथ रखिए. उसके बाद में आपको जितना भी गैस, एसिडिटी, ब्लोटिंग, इंडाइजेशन जो भी हो रहा है उसको ठीक करने के लिए यू नीड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अदरक. अदरक इन अ वे हर मर्ज की दवा है, विच इज़ वाई द कहावत ऑल्सो गोज, बंदर क्या जाने अदरक का स्वाद, बिकॉज अदरक मे नॉट बी ग्रेट टू टेस्ट बट इट इज़ अ ग्रेट हीलर ऑफ एवरीथिंग दैट्स गोइंग रॉन्ग इन योर बॉडी and in your mind. And then of course the good old a little bit of salt. So this combination, and another very important thing, black pepper, again a good digestive aid, something which makes it easy for your body to assimilate all nutrients. अभी आपको तो ये पता ही होगा that in Ayurveda there is something called as 6 tastes. So there is the pungent, the astringent, and then the all familiar 4 tastes that we know, the salty, sweet, bitter, and what did I miss? Sour. So what are you going to do now? आपका ये रेडी हो गया जैगरी वाटर. Then you have to add 1 teaspoon of flowers to it. But how will you add it? Before you add it, you have to make it ready. So you put this jaggery वाला पानी in a glass. दिखता ही इतना एक्सोटिक है. Then you put flowers on it. See, a chef would be proud of you. उसके बाद में you put a little bit of ginger, जितना भी आपको चाहिए according to you. Okay, so if you're serving it to someone who is small, then don't put a lot of ginger. If you're serving it to someone who likes ginger, उनके लिए आप ज़्यादा ginger use करो. Then you put a little bit of namak according to your taste, and you dress it up with a few kacha curry ka pieces, and then you take about 2 or 3 peppers. और peppers का स्वाद unlock करने के लिए you have to crush them, and then you add it to your drink. Now you can simply stir it, and then before you sip it, sit down. Why should you sit down? Because everything that's worth eating or drinking is worth sitting down and then eating or drinking. So here's to the Neem sherbet. The whole point of this exercise, wow, it's beautiful, it's delicious, it's better than I thought it would turn out to be. The whole point of this exercise is to introduce at least 52 new things in your diet by the end of 1 year. Even if you make it just once, some of these things are supposed to be had just about once to about 4 or 5 times in the year, that too only in the season. What they do is that they add diversity to your gut, they add diversity to your diet, they allow you a natural boost to to a better immune function, to more micronutrients, to a different taste or a palate. And it actually allows you to understand different regions of India better than what you currently understand them. क्योंकि लोगों को समझने के लिए हमको उनका खाना समझना चाहिए. तो फर्स्ट वीक में we had introduced you to a पहाड़ी रायता, so it came from the Himalaya. अभी ये जो सेकेंड ड्रिंक है ये आता है हैदराबाद से, and the person who has shared this with us is a very special person called Mr. नायक. वो कुक के तरह ही काम करते हैं और ये स्पेशल ड्रिंक उनका भी फेवरेट है. सो ही हैज शेयर्ड दिस विद अस. आई होप दैट यू इंक्लूड दिस इन योर डाइट एंड हैव घर पे बैठे बैठे cleanse, detox, smoothie, or whatever name that you want to give it. Enjoy the drink and let me know how much you liked it. Bye bye.